If you want to know how I put this beautiful flower inside this Bobo Balloon, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello, welcome to fambamny. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. And to all our awesome subscribers who's always there, thank you guys for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. And for today's video, I'll put this flower inside our Bobo Balloon. Alright, so with that said, let's start this. All the materials we use here, we will put it in the description down below. Please check that out. So this is our Bobo Balloon. It's 18 inches. So first thing, we will stretch this before we fill this with air. Just grip here and here. Then release the air. You need your scissor. You just have to cut the edges right here. Just a little bit on the edge, just like that. I'm gonna show you. Like that, cut the edges. Just like that, just enough where you can put your flower in here. Now you'll open this up. Then put the, by the way, this one right here, before I start, I'll give you a little tip. It used to be this long, and then I chop this off, and then I cover the sharp edges right here with your glue gun, so there's no more sharp edges. Okay, just a little tip there. And then put this on, put this in here. There you go, your flower is in here. Now we'll just have to seal this with our heat sealer. Now we are ready to seal this opening. So I'll line them up just like that. Then once it's lined up, you will seal this. I set this up about 3.5. See, as you can see, it's sealed right here. Alright, so now we can check if it's really working or not. So let's see. So I'll pull this up just a little bit and then we'll add some air. Then you listen. I can hear that there's air right here coming out, so I will reseal this area right here. Right, so it's now sealed, so we will try to inflate this with air and let's check for some leaks. So make sure you check that there's no air coming out. Feel it. You can hear, so nothing, so everything is trapped. So now I'm gonna put this in the hole or in the tail. So I'm gonna stretch the tail end as well. Add some more air. That should be good. So now I'm gonna seal this. Put this in the hole right there. We got it right here. So once you got it in there, you will use your 260Q. Just tie it like that so it'll stay in place. Alright, so we have this yardstick. I got this from the Dollar Tree store, or you can get it at the local store you have. It comes in a package like this. Okay, so this is a little thicker, so this is a yardstick. What I did is this holder right here, I cut this with the scissor like that, and then I'll cut the other side as well. So it opens up, okay? So we'll put this on here. This will hold our balloon so it's not gonna wobble like this. So we'll put it here. Put the stem in the center. Like that, so it holds your flower in place. Just like that. And now you close this. So now you will need another 260Q. I will wrap this around here. There you go, so it stays nice and straight up like that. So the yardstick will attach and connect it here. Alright, so I attached this right here. So our yardstick, we will cut this off because it's too long. So I'm gonna measure so you'll know how much. So from the balloon, it'll be about 6 inches. Just cut it with a pair of scissors. Like that. So once it's cut, we will put like a glue gun right here so it'll be nice and sturdy. Alright, so this is finally dry, as you can see right there. I put the glue. Okay, so it'll stay in one, standing upright position. Okay, so now we will need our paper. You can get this from your local store. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to put it just like this. Okay, so put this on right on the center, and then you just have to put this. And it looks like that. It's simple and it's easy to put there. And then we have our curling ribbon. So we tie this here. Like that, guys. So now we will add our vinyl sticker. We printed this from our Cameo 4 machine. If you want to know how we made this one, please check that out. And now we'll take this off. With the happy birthday. Alright, so there you go. There's our bouquet. So last thing we're gonna do is add some butterfly. There you go. It's simple and easy to make. I hope you learned something from this vlog today. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe to our channel, fambamny. Give us your thoughts, your comments, and stick around for our comments of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is fambamny. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.